Hey there! Welcome back to Learn Oilfield Stuff, the ultimate channel for all things related to the oil and gas industry. Our expert team is dedicated to bringing you the latest news, tips, and tricks in a fun and engaging way. Today, we're going to talk about material balance equations for drilling fluids. Material balance equations are an essential tool used in the oil and gas industry to calculate volumes and densities when two or more insoluble materials are mixed together. It's a simple equation that looks like this: V1W1 plus V2W2 equals FWF. Here's what each variable represents. V1 and V2 are the volumes of the first and second materials. W1 and W2 are their respective densities. Vf is the total volume of the mixture, and Wf is the density of the total mixture. Let's look at some commonly used variables in material balance equations. First up, we have barite. The weight of a barrel of barite, BaSO4, SG equals 4.2 grams/cc is 1,470 pounds/barrel. Since barite comes in 100-pound sacks, one barrel contains 14.70 sacks. The weight of a gallon of barite is 34.9 pounds/gal. Next, we have hematite. The weight of a barrel of hematite, Fe2O3, SG equals 5.0 grams/cc is 1,749 pounds/barrel. The weight of a gallon of hematite is 41.65 pounds/gal. Finally, we have light oil. As an example, 41 degrees API gravity SG equals 0.82 grams/cc. The weight of a gallon of light oil is 6.8 pounds/gal. Now, let's solve some problems to put this knowledge to use. Example problem number 1-1. Calculate how many sacks of barite are required to increase the density of an 800-barrel mud system from 12.7 pounds/gal to 14.5 pounds/gal. Here's how we solve it using the material balance equation. V1W1 plus V2W2 equals VFWF given. V1 equals 800 bbls, W1 equals 12.7 pounds/gal, V2 equals unknown, W2 equals 34.9 pounds/gal. Vf equals V1 plus V2, or 800 plus V2, Wf equals 14.5 pounds/gal. So, we plug in the values and solve for V2: 812.7 plus V2 34.9 equals 800 plus V2, x 14.510, 160 plus 34.9 V2 equals 11,600 plus 14.5 V2 20.4 V2 equals 1440 V2 equals 70.6 bbls of barite. To find the number of sacks of barite, we multiply the volume by the number of sacks in one barrel: 70.6 bbls x 14.7 sk/barrel equals 1,038 sacks of barite. Example problem number 1-2. Calculate how much water and barite are required to make 800 barrels of a 10.5 pounds/gal water-based drilling mud. Let's break down how we can solve this problem step by step. We're given that we need to make 800 barrels of a 10.5 pounds/gal water-based drilling mud. We want to know how much water and barite are required. We can start by using the material balance equation. V1W1 plus V2W2 equals VFWF, where V1 is the volume of water, W1 is the density of water, P2 is the volume of barite, W2 is the density of barite, Vf is the total volume of the mixture, and Wf is the density of the mixture. Let's fill in what we know. V1 is the unknown volume of water we want to find. W1 is the density of water, which is 8.33 pounds/gal. V2 is the unknown volume of barite, which is equal to 800 V1. Since we need to use all 800 barrels. W2 is the density of barite, which is 34.9 pounds/gal. Vf is 800 barrels. Wf is 10.5 pounds/gal. Now we can write the equation. V1 8.33 plus 800. V1 34.9 equals 810.5. Let's solve for V1: 8.33 V1 plus 27,920 to 34.9 V1 equals 8,400 to 26.57 V1 equals 19520 V1 equals 735 barrels of water. Now we can find the volume of barite needed. V2 equals 800. V1 equals 65 barrels, and we can convert this to sacks of barite: 65 barrels x 14.7 sacks/barrel equals 956 sacks. So we need 735 barrels of water and 956 sacks of barite to make 800 barrels of a 10.5 pounds/gal water-based drilling mud. Material balance equations are a useful tool in the oil and gas industry for calculating volumes and densities when mixing drilling fluids. By understanding these equations, we can ensure that we have the correct amount of materials to create the right drilling fluid for our needs. Thanks for watching and happy drilling!